The Bosch SMT 500 is an ultra-portable leak tester smoke machine that lets technicians go where the work is. It's perfect for mobile service, testing vehicles in the field, and fleet repairs. The portable leak tester features an onboard micro air compressor that eliminates the need for shop air or an inert gas tank. Technicians can quickly pinpoint the source of a vehicle leak by manipulating the smoke output. Find leaks as tiny as 10,000ths of an inch in any sealed system. Find all types of leaks including vacuum, evap, exhaust, oil, manifolds, EGR, valves, seals, gaskets, brake vacuum hoses, cooling systems, wind and water leaks, and much more. Leverage late-model natural vacuum leak detection or NVLD technology to visually confirm the system is not leaking. SMT 500 improves the accuracy of repairs and eliminates comebacks by verifying that leaks are repaired accurately the first time. The full accessory kit and hard case are included. Made in the USA with a US-based customer support team. Learn more at boschdiagnostics.com or ask for the Bosch SMT 500 wherever you get your shop tools and equipment.